Good morning, everyone. The yen is still in focus. Dollar yen should have risen sharply overnight after the country announced the widest ever trade deficit in January. This is a classic J-curve effect. As the currency of a country with a trade deficit depreciates, the deficit initially widens because the value of imports in local currency goes up faster than the value of exports. Since, by definition, since the country has a trade deficit, it's got more imports than exports. Only gradually over time, the higher cost of imports causes imports to fall, while the cheaper currency encourages exports and export volumes rise. So initially, the trade deficit widens, and if you look at it on a graph, goes down, and then gradually it recovers and the trade deficit narrows and turns into surplus, so hence the J-curve. What this means is that January's figures are probably just the harbinger of many months of pretty bad trade data that could be expected to push dollar yen higher. The key point overnight, though, is that it didn't. In fact, dollar yen declined. Apparently, the delay in nominating the new Bank of Japan governor has fueled talk of a dispute between Prime Minister Abe and Finance Minister Aso. And this is calling into question Abe's ability to implement his economic plans. The movement in dollar yen demonstrates how policy and not economic fundamentals is driving currencies now. Although the dispute between Prime Minister Abe and Finance Minister Aso is a concern to the markets, there was a report in a respected Japanese newspaper that listed the top 4 candidates for Bank of Japan governor, and former Deputy Governor Muto was not among them. This would be a defeat for Aso, who apparently wants Muto to be the new Bank of Japan governor. If the report is true, and let me stress that these reports in Japanese newspapers don't come with money-back guarantees, it would indicate that Abe is winning the fight, and that would be dollar yen bullish. In any event, I repeat what I said yesterday, that any pullbacks in dollar yen are merely opportunities to get on the trade for those who missed it before, in my view. Or for those who are looking for something different, how about buying the Swedish krona against the yen? The Swedish krona was the best performing major currency overnight and seems to be on a roll recently. Traders might want to take a look at Swedish krona against the yen as well as dollar yen. This is Marshall Gittler, head of Global FX Strategy at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.